All right, Stacy's here, and I hear weather bells and whistles going off back there.
Lots of bells and whistles today, and a lot of alerts for severe thunderstorm warnings that have been popping up here east and north of Denver. It is very quiet in the metro and will continue to be so here through the rest of tonight. 75 degrees by 7 o'clock, 70 degrees by 9 o'clock, and 66 by 11 o'clock tonight. So some nice mild weather in through the rest of this evening. And looking outside at our Pearl Street Mall camera from Tebow Properties, it looks fabulous. Temperatures nice and warm to be outside enjoying. And summer begins officially tomorrow, but we are expecting strong storms the next few days, which is why we have a first alert action day in effect today and all the way through the weekend. After that, it gets hot. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s into next week. Today, though, we got up to 81 for our afternoon high, 87 in Greeley, 78 in Sterling, 60s and 70s for the higher elevations, and 90s for the western slope, where we do have a fire weather warning continuing in through the rest of this evening. A tornado watch in effect here for the eastern plains, and we have quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings that have popped up here in the last half hour or so. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect just south of Akron here, off to the east of Denver, and this is in effect until 5:45. Also another one in effect near Fort Collins because of a strong thunderstorm cell. So here around Woodrow and Linden, the storm is moving off to the northeast with lightning and perhaps some hail. It's headed toward Akron and very heavy rain as well. And the same here near Wellington. This is just now north of Fort Collins at this point, stretching all the way up to the border between Colorado and Wyoming. As for our current temperatures, we're mostly in the 70s and 80s. That nice warm weather sticking around. 86 in Commerce City, 82 downtown, 70s to around 80 degrees farther to the south. Very windy in places too, especially up into the mountains. Winds as high as 40 miles an hour. We have 30-mile-an-hour gusts in Broomfield and 38 in Lyman. It will continue to be breezy tonight and tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies with a low of 56 degrees tonight. And our severe weather chance for tomorrow increases here for the Denver area and across the eastern plains. So especially tomorrow afternoon, we could see some hail, some lightning, and very heavy rain here for the Denver area, shaded in yellow, all the way across toward Fort Morgan, Ray, and up into Holyoke and Burlington. Temperatures tomorrow will also be a little cooler here. We have some cooler air moving in. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s for our area, 80s and 90s farther to the south, and up in the mountains, 50s and 60s. Our 7-day forecast, though, really changes things up as we go into the weekend. We'll have temperatures in the low 70s tomorrow, upper 60s Saturday and Sunday with good chances for rain. We could even see snow in the higher elevations above 10,000 feet here Saturday night into early Sunday. So the first weekend in summertime, we're going to see some snow up through the mountains. Afternoon highs in the 80s Monday and Tuesday, and we'll have 91 on Thursday. Overnight lows in the 50s. So some big changes on the way, but I think that snow for the first weekend of summer is a very interesting twist here for our Colorado weather. A-Basin has extended out even longer their season, so yeah, more snow on the way.
Twist, all right.
Right?
At least we get a 90-degree day next
At least, yes.
Thank you, Stacy.